Hey y'all, it's me, Kalila. So today y'all, I'm just going to show you guys me taking out my locks in the process. I did end up taking out the front part of the locks like I planned to. As we know, the front part of my locks was damaged due to those faux locks. They were just thin and broke off, and I tried repairing them, and it was just no healing those locks. They were super thin and just hanging on by a thread. So I did go ahead and take those out. What I did to take them out was I oiled them with this tea tree oil, as I did in the last video when I took those few out, and used my Cricut needle. I just prefer to do it this way instead of like wetting it and using conditioner. I kind of just feel like when you use water on it, with it being natural hair, is going to curl up, which to me kind of sounds like it would make it a little more harder to detangle. So I just went with oil, and it worked, and it works for me. Taking out 36 locks. It was 16 on this side, 20 on this side, and that took about 3 hours, you guys. 3 hours is how long it takes to do my retwist. But mind you too, about 5 of those locks was already coiled that I went ahead and took out because, you know, they were I had to do the partings and everything over. So, but yeah, 3 hours. Yeah, so I don't plan on taking these out no time soon. With taking those out, I did lose a lot of hair. A lot of the hair that, of course, had broke off, thinned out, shedded, whatever. I lost a lot of hair and a lot of length. So I went from having some that, you know, down here normal length to this, you know. To these little bitty ones. when I redid the locks, I had some of the hair that I combined with existing locks, and the rest I started a new lock with a coil. And I started the coils with a edger comb and my foam. So that was, you know, that's the smallest comb I have, and I thought that was the best because I feel like if I started them with twists or braids, then they would tend to kind of unravel. I feel like coils last, they stick better in my hair for some reason. So I did them with coils. So when I redid them, I ended up with 9 locks on this side and 13 locks on this side. So in total, I lost 14 locks. So if anybody's wondering how many locks I have, I believe I started around like 544, 543, and take away 14, I'm around somewhere around 530 locks. So yeah, so that is where I'm at with my locks. Guys, I finally got them all out and I feel so relieved. I don't have those thin locks just hanging on by a thread, those raggedy locks. It was thick in some places, thin in other places. I'm so glad I don't have those anymore. So now I just have to take care of my baby locks and hopefully they don't have any slippage or unraveling or any problems. So I'm just going to hope for the best. You guys take care of them the best I can. If you guys have any questions, please leave it in the comments. I do want to thank you guys for the 3,000 subbies. Yay! Thank you, thank you, thank you. But yeah, that's pretty much it, you guys. Please like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all. Bye.